Good morning, dear student. Welcome to you in today's lecture of English. Student, in today's lecture, we are going to just start, which we have already started the lesson, and the name of it to trees have feeling, which we have already started this lesson in previous lecture. So let me just continue this lesson. So just take out your book and open your book page number 17. The first paragraph was explained by me, and where it was we have seen that like the human beings, trees also they like to live in a community. As like the human being जो community में रहते हैं, they never live alone, है ना. कभी आपने देखा है कि human being just only a single home or just only they single live in a city, ऐसा होता है? No. So here as like the human tendency they live together, just like the trees also they want to live together. So instead of when they grow just a single, so they do not flourish properly, है ना. तो वो अच्छे से grow नहीं हो पाते. So instead of growing single or alone, they wants to just live or they wants to just grow in a community. So here the first paragraph had been done in previous lecture. Now let us see the next one. Trees warn each other of danger. Trees warn each other of danger. 4 decades ago, now what does the tree warn? The tree warns each other of danger. So just like if there is a calamity on us, so अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है हमारे फैमिली में, so we just inform to other one. तो हम अपने अदर फैमिली मेम्बर को इन्फॉर्म करते हैं. If we like to talk about the area where any complaint or any problem is there, so we discuss about with our neighbor. तो हम अपने neighbors के साथ वो डिस्कस करते हैं या उनसे वो शेयर करते हैं. So just like the same tendency which we follow, the trees also follows the same tendency, and trees warn each other of danger. If there is any dangerous situation created in the forest, so they inform to the other trees. How? Let us see. 4 decades ago, scientists noticed something on the African savannas. 4 decades. Decades means a period of 10 years. So 4 decades ago. So 4 decades ago, scientists noticed. What they noticed? That something on the African savanna. Savanna is an area, grassland area. Giraffe there were feeding on umbrellas, thorn acacias. So here you can see umbrella thorn acacias. It's one of the species of tree. ये tree की एक species है जो जिराफ ईट करते हैं या उसे खाते हैं. Giraffes there were feeding on umbrella thorn acacias, and the trees didn't like this. But when they were eating the leaves of that the tree which you can see, it's one of the species of tree here. So it is found in the Africa savanna in savanna Africa. So what happened? It took the acacias mere minutes to start pumping toxic substance. But as we like, if somebody tease us, if somebody kill us or beat us, अगर कोई हमें मारता है तो क्या होता है? हमें पेन होता है. Just like the same, अगर supposed to be if any insects or any animals started to cut or started to nibble the leaves of any tree, so it also hurts. So trees को भी hurt होता है. They also have pain. उन्हें भी तकलीफ होती है. So it took when the giraffe started to eat the leaves of that kind of a species of a tree, so the trees didn't like it. तो trees को वो पसंद नहीं आता कि कोई जिराफ उनके पास आकर उनकी जो leaves को कट करे या निबल करे. It took the acacias mere minutes to start pumping toxic substance. And what exactly that time the giraffe started to do? It took the acacias mere minutes. Mere minutes means few minutes. कुछ few minutes में वो क्या करते हैं? They start to secreting pumping toxic substance. वो कुछ toxic substance या गैस रिलीज करते हैं. So it's secreting start pumping toxic substance into their leaves. और वो अपने leaves से वो substance, poisonous substance रिलीज करना स्टार्ट करते हैं, and it is harmful to the animal. So the giraffe got the message and moved on to the other trees. So when the plant started to release the toxic acid or toxic substance from the tree. The giraffe got the message. Giraffe को message मिल जाता है कि it's the test of that tree isn't good, or it doesn't like to eat. So what the giraffe do? The giraffe got the message and moved on to the other trees. और वो दूसरी ट्री की तरफ जाता है जो उससे टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस निकलने लगता है, पॉइजनस गैस जब उससे निकलने लगती है. So the giraffe didn't stay there and moved to the next one tree, but they didn't start nibbling until they were about 100 yards away. So he just moved to the next tree. Then again the same process is going on. Again he moved to the next one tree. So the same cycle is going on until they were about 100 yards away. So ऐसी process. So in this way we could say that here the tree gives a message. The tree gives a message to its neighboring tree. अपने neighboring tree को वो message करता है कि dangerous situation is created here. The animals came and they wanted to just they wanted to just eat our leaves. So it isn't a good thing. Trees also don't like to that their leaves will be eaten by someone. So this message is going to passes to the other tree, और यही same message सभी की तरफ वो forward होता है. In this way they give the message to each tree. सारे tree की तरफ वो message pass करने लगते हैं, and giraffe also moves to the next tree, और वो भी next tree की तरफ move होने लगता है. Then and they didn't start nibbling until they were about 100 yards away. और वो जब तक 100 yards away, 100 miles away जब तक वो नहीं चले जाते तब तक ये मैसेज एक ट्री दूसरे ट्री को, दूसरा ट्री तीसरे ट्री को देते रहता है. In this way they become safe, और इस तरह से वो safe रह जाते हैं, and their single leaf had been eaten by any animal. The reason for this behavior is astonishing. The trees that were being eaten gave off a warning gas, especially ethylene. So the trees that were being eaten gave off a warning gas. और जब उनकी जो कुछ लीव्स खा ली जाती है कुछ एनिमल्स के थ्रू, so they gave off a warning gas, especially ethylene gas को रिलीज करते हैं, and it's not a good. That signal to neighboring trees of the same species that a prize was at hand, and it's a message, and it's one of the messages given to the other trees that the crisis with us, or enemies, they are near to us. Right away, all the four trees also pump toxins into their leaves to prepare themselves, and in this way, when they get a message, so the other trees also start secreting toxic gases which is harmful for the animals. Now, similar processes are at work in our forest. Beeches, spruce and oaks all register pain as soon as a creature nibbles on them. When a caterpillar takes a bite out of a leaf, the tissue around the site of the damage changes. In addition, the leaf tissue sends an electrical signal just as human tissue does when hurt. Similar processes are at work in our forest. So similar processes works in the forest also. Just don't here the example of one of the species, like the name of it, umbrella thorn is example is given about it, but just only not this species only, but the other kind of species of trees also, they also have pain when some animals came and started to eat their leaves. Similar processes are at work in our forest. Beeches, spruce and oaks all register pain. Beeches, spruce and oaks, they all register pain. उन्हें भी pain होता है जब उनकी leaves को कोई खाता है. As soon as the creature nibble means कुतरना on them. When a caterpillar takes a bite out of a leaf, when a caterpillar start or take a bite of a leaf, वो जब leaf का bite लेती है, the tissue around the site of damage changes. The tissue around the site of the damage changes, and in addition, the leaf tissue sends out electrical signal. And it started, and the leaves of that tree has started to give an electrical signal, just as human tissue does when hurt. And when not only just any single kind of a tree the trees, they have feeling, they have pain. When any animals, or when we as a human being, when we start to destroy them, they also have a pain, and they don't like that somebody came to them and just cut them, or just they will be eaten by any kind of animal or any insect. So it is all about the second paragraph. Trees warn each other of danger. So here in the second paragraph we have seen that in what way a tree can give a message to their neighboring tree, or to the tree which are their neighbor, which are their near. So it's a good message that we can see here, that they are also having feeling, they are also having sense, they can feel anything when they killed by someone, or when their trees is eaten by someone. So what we have to do, we never have to just harm to any kind of tree. So I hope student you have understood it. Now here you can see the word meanings are given on page number 19. So what you have to do, just give heading. First of all, just give heading of lesson. Do trees have feelings? And then write the heading of word meaning and just write it down there. Preserves means a protected natural area. What does it mean by preserve? Preserve means a protected natural area. Next, beech, a kind of a species of tree. Next, intact. Intact means not damaged. What does it mean by intact? Not damaged. Next, fatalities. Fatalities means deaths. Next, canopy. Canopy means the branches and the leaves that spread out at the top of a group of trees. Next, savannah. Savannah is a grassland. What is savannah? You can write in the short. Savannah is one of the grassland, especially in Africa. Now, umbrella thorn is Asiatis. So here you can see it is also one of the kind of tree. Next, ethylene, a colorless gas. Ethylene, a colorless gas. Next, forewarned. Forewarned means made aware of before something happens. Forewarned means to make aware someone before going or before happening any calamity. Next, spruce, it is also one of the species of tree. Next, here you can see the image or the picture of a spruce tree, oak tree. Next, crown means the top part of a tree. And next, fungal root connection means something that is a part of your history. Next, legacy means knowledge and wealth given to the next generation. Legacy means knowledge and wealth that we give to the next generation. And exert means to use authority and power in order to make something happen. So student, what you have to do? You have to just make it complete this word meaning in your notebook, and I hope student you have understood today's lecture very well, and it's your homework to read the lesson once again very carefully and just make it underline the difficult words. And if the word meaning is not provided in the vocabulary section, just go through the dictionary and find out the word meaning of it. So I hope you will do it today itself, and we'll meet you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.